right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their small desk fan. This is from our friends over at SmartDevil. SmartDevil on the top, and just plugs in with a USB. It's a USB desk fan. Let's open it on up, take a look at it, slide it out. That's it for the box. Got a little instruction manual here. Got the nice USB cable, micro USB. Looks like about 2 to 3 feet of length. And then a little desk fan. So it just plugs in right up here and then plugs in with your USB. Set it like so. Let's give it a go. Plug it in. There we go. And plug it in our USB here. And this is actually the button. So you press that to turn it on. And there we go. Now you've got a fan. Pretty nice breeze. So another setting. Let's see. There's like a medium that's a little stronger. Very, very good wind. That's the highest level, and that's back off. So low definitely gives a great breeze. If you're in a hot office, this would be exactly what you'd need. And medium is even stronger. And if your computer or USB port's a good ways away, put it on the highest setting and you should have a nice breeze. It's also really quiet. Well, there we go. Thanks again to SmartDevil for sending me this small USB desk fan. Thank you all for watching this unboxing and demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.